In this video, I'll be comparing Flippa versus Acquire.com, two popular platforms where you can buy or sell online businesses. We'll look at how they work, what kinds of businesses they are best for, their fees, and by the end I'll tell you which one you should use depending on your situation. So first I'll go over what exactly they are. Flippa is one of the oldest and biggest marketplaces for digital businesses. You will see everything from tiny blogs and starter sites to e-commerce stores, apps, Amazon FBA businesses and more. It's open to almost anyone, so the range of listings is really wide. Then Acquire.com, which used to be called Micro Acquire, is more focused. It's designed for startups, SaaS companies, agencies and e-commerce businesses that already have recurring revenue. It's less about small side projects and more about helping serious founders exit and helping buyers find vetted opportunities. So in short, Flippa is for all kinds of online businesses, including smaller ones. Acquire is more polished and geared towards startups with revenue. So some features and the workflow. On Flippa, you can list a business pretty quickly. Your listing is public, and if you pay for upgrades, you get more visibility. On Flippa, you can list a business pretty quickly and your listing is public, and if you pay for upgrades, you get more visibility. Buyers can browse freely, but they will have to do a lot of due diligence themselves since not all listings are verified. On Acquire.com, it's more structured. Listings go through a vetting process and they are usually confidential. Buyers have to sign an NDA before they can see the name of the business or sensitive details. Sellers can also connect their financials and analytics directly to the platform, so buyers see verified data. So the big difference, Flippa gives you speed and exposure, Acquire gives you privacy and a more curated buyer pool. Next, in terms of pricing and fees, Flippa charges a listing fee to put your business up for sale. And when you sell, they also take a success fee, which is a percentage of the final sale price. The higher the deal size, the higher that percentage can get. And if you want extra features like premium placement or confidentiality tools, those do cost more. Then on Acquire.com it works a bit differently. Sellers don't pay to list, but there is a success fee of around 4% when the business sells, which is usually lower than Flippa. Buyers may need to pay for a subscription plan if they want access to premium listings or to contact certain sellers. So for sellers, Acquire.com usually ends up cheaper on the back end. For buyers, Flippa is more open, while Acquire.com might require a paid subscription to unlock the better deals. So ultimately, which one should you choose? Now, whichever one you want to get started with, you can do so completely for free through the links that I'll leave down in the description. First, I would pick Flippa if you're selling a smaller business like a blog, side project or early stage e-commerce store and you just want exposure to as many buyers as possible. It's also a great place if you are a buyer hunting for affordable deals, but you will need to do more homework. Then I would pick Acquire.com if you are selling a SaaS product, an agency or any startup with recurring revenue and you want a more professional, confidential process. It's also the better option if you expect a higher sale price and want lower fees and more serious buyers. So if I had to choose a winner overall, Acquire.com edges ahead for established startups because of the lower fees, better verification and higher quality buyers, but Flippa is still the best place for small to mid-sized businesses and for buyers who want more variety. Again, I'll leave a link to both of them down in the description where you can start with buying and selling your businesses. If this comparison of Flippa versus Acquire.com helped you make a decision, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.